Hello people, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go from making £0 to £10,000 and potentially, if you do this right, making that same figure residually. And I'm talking about every single month. Now you may be asking, who are you and why should I be listening to you? Well, number one, my name is producer UJ, and why you should be listening to me? Well, you're just going to have to watch this video and find out. However, one thing that you should know is that making money in this generation is easier than ever. It's never been this easy. Understand that if you want to make $100K US every single year, it is simply finding a product that brings you $300 a day. It's that easy, and therefore $2,000 a week, $8,000 a month. It's that easy. So the main thing that you should be focusing on is not necessarily what product do I sell, but how do I sell that product. Marketing is king. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do to make that type of money in this day and age. Now, number one, this is how you go from £0 to £10,000 every single month. Number one, find a sugar daddy or a sugar mom. Point number one. Now, if you're someone like me who's always trying to increase their value and knowledge into things concerning wealth and creating money in this day and age, then you would have heard this point time and time over again, and that's becoming a drop shipper. Now, you may be asking, what is a drop shipper? Very easy. A drop shipper is a person or business that uses the drop shipping model of buying inventory and fulfillment logistics from a third party. For example, you can be looking at a particular product. It may be a smartphone, some type of car cleaner. Go to the eBay product engine tool. There's a section where it will say product research. You're simply going to put in product research and you're going to type in the exact same product you saw on AliExpress or Alibaba. When you type it in there, it will begin to show you how popular the product is and how much in US dollars the product has sold. And this is a thing that you can see continuously. Now you can do the same thing when you go on Alibaba itself. All you are doing is buying and reselling. The product is not even coming near you or to your house. The inventory is not with you. You have no parts to play except just pressing the purchase button. Now, another way that you can also check which product is the best to sell is by going on TikTok. I'm actually involved in most of these businesses myself. Now, it's a very simple thing. You go on TikTok. TikTok is the hub of finding what is trending and what is not trending. You will be a fool to think that you want to start a company and you are no way involved in the TikTok area. Point number two, paid promotion. Now you may be wondering, how are you saying Instagram paid promotion? Someone's only going to pay me if my page has 100K followers above, and my page clearly has 2,000 followers. The key thing in this is growing your page. Now, for you to grow your page, you have to post things that people want to see. I'm showing you how to make money off social media without even showing your face one day. If you're watching this video, it's most likely you've come across some type of wealth funnel or channel on Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. These pages, they post inspirational quotes from these celebrities, videos, and these pages, they make money. They are making thousands of pounds a year. I have one of my social media pages that I will not announce for my partner's sake. Now, this page is simply devoted to posting inspirational quotes, inspirational videos of celebrities, multimillionaires, billionaires, etc. And all we do is take a video, make it black and white, and add some automated text captions. Now, these videos get thousands of views on a daily basis. There's not one day where we do not get a paid promotion on our page, where someone pays for their page to be on ours or to promote their business. Now, we are getting $50 minimum every single day. You do the maths on that. These videos, we are not creating ourselves. I have no involvement. My partner has no involvement. So we go into Fiverr. We then type in the search engine, inspirational quotes from celebrities, from millionaires, from billionaires, and we pay $15 for 100 videos. We have 100 videos that have already been edited for us, and the person who edits the video simply puts our logo on the video. That is it. Now we then take those same videos We simply put it in an app by the name of Social Pilot. Now, Social Pilot deals with Instagram scheduled posts. So we schedule all the posts and videos for that month in particular, and we simply watch it do its thing. All we are doing is replying to the DMs and inquiries on promotion. Otherwise, posting manually, we are not involved at all. This is a very simple thing that you can do too. Third way to go from £0 to £10,000 in this day and age, very easy, is start a podcast. Now, podcasts are making so much money, and if you are in the podcast arena, you will know that podcasts make more money than YouTube. It is way more easier to monetize your podcast than monetizing your YouTube channel. As of 2023, there have been 3.2 million podcasts created. And as of 2022, there have been 51 million YouTube channels being created. So the chance of you being recognized on YouTube compared to starting a podcast are very, very slim because the YouTube market is very saturated. Point number 4, another easy way to make money in 2023 is AI technology, ChatGPT and Jasper AI. This is one of the most incredible things I've ever heard in my life. And if you are someone who has researched on AI technology, on ChatGPT, then you will know this is not the future. This is now. And anyone that is not trying to make money off AI technology is very, very behind. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to touch too much on AI technology. I'll touch on that in a different video. However, understand that you can literally replace people with full-time jobs simply with this thing, with AI technology. For example, you can go on Fiverr.com and pay people $100 to create an ebook for you. However, with AI technology, you can simply ask ChatGPT, write a book, write a novel on this. Not in the next hour, not in the next 2 hours, not in the next 3 days, that same hour. So what you can do now is go on Fiverr.com, tell people that you are creating ebooks for them. Now, the general and most common price for a writer of ebooks on Fiverr may be $50. Since ChatGPT is doing it for you and you're not doing anything, you can be the lowest price in the market and go at $10. And then your focus is not necessarily on the price, but on the volume. So now you've listed yourself on Fiverr as an author who can write books for you, and you're telling the person, I'm going to get it to you in the next 5 hours. That way, you've not only become the cheapest person in the market, but you become the fastest person in the market. That's an incredible niche. Something to get into. Number 5, my 5th and final point. Subscribe to Producer UJ, and you shall have a lifetime of riches. Now listen, this video was simply detailing easy ways to go from 0 to 10K. Now, if you guys want an advanced version of this video, let me know in the comments. Before I go, this video, I decided to record the whole entire audio for this project on my mobile device. I wanted to show everyone that makes excuses for themselves to say reasons why they can't or reasons why it won't work for them because they don't have money for this, don't have the finances for this, that those that say it can't be done should get out of the way of those that are doing it. This has been Producer UJ. I'll see you on the next video. Or if you're a bit more advanced, you can find the Sugar Baby. It's just a joke. Relax. I can already hear some people saying, I'm going. Turkey. Sorry about that one.